Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today we are discuss about honeycombing. What is honeycombing? What are the effects of honeycomb? What are the causes of honeycomb and what are the remedies of honeycomb? So first we are discuss about what is honeycomb. Honeycombs defines as a rough and stony concrete appearance with voids. It resembles the honeycomb. Okay, now we discuss about effect of honeycomb. First is reinforcement rods start corrosion and this will result in losing grip between rods and concrete, which is very dangerous to safety and life of concrete structure. Second is bearing capacity of structure is less. Now we are discuss about what are the causes of honeycombing. First is presence of coarse aggregate. Like you, using the improper bigger size of aggregate in concrete makes the smaller particle hard to penetrate through them and leaves the concrete voids. So, uh, presence of coarse aggregate leads to honeycombing. Second is placement of concrete from height. When we pour concrete from a certain height, the aggregates and mortar get separated and settle down partially, which causes honeycombs in concrete. Third is additional water cement ratio. Then the allowable limit on site for workability. As we know that the excess amount of water cement ratio will result in separation of aggregate from the mortar. Fourth is using stiff concrete which is hard to place. Fifth is improper workability of concrete. Sixth, typical spots like places beam to beam or beam to column or column to beam joints should be taken care while placing concrete because lapping of one or more layers of reinforcements makes the concrete hard to penetrate through them. Okay, and the last one is improper vibration of concrete. As we know, applying excess vibration will lead to leak through the frameworks and leaves the aggregate to settle down. Now we will discuss about what are the remedies of honeycombing. If you see honeycombing in concrete, then don't try to hide it with cement paste because as years goes it starts to deteriorate. So affected concrete should be broken partly and treated with the adhesive chemical and then should be recast. Okay. Or at the places of junction of column and beam, concrete with strictly 20 mm or less aggregate should be used with slightly more water and cement to avoid honeycombs. Third is vibrating and tapping with wooden hammer. The sides of shuttering from outside during the concreting will help in minimizing honeycomb. In case of column and beams, use thinner needle 25 mm or less with vibrator at intricate places. Concrete will also help in reducing the honeycombs. You use non-shrinkage epoxy grouting material for, uh, as a remedy of honeycombing. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel.